1,000 times I've failed, still your mercy remains. Should I stumble again, still I'm caught in your grace everlasting. Your light will shine when all else fades, never ending. Your glory goes beyond all fame. In my heart and my soul, I give you control. Consume me from the inside out, Lord. Let justice and praise become my embrace, to love you from the inside out. Above all else, still my purpose remains. The art of losing myself in bringing you praise everlasting. Your light will shine when all else fades, never ending. Your glory goes beyond all fame. In my heart and my soul, I give you control. Consume me from the inside out, Lord. Let justice and praise become my embrace, to love you from the inside out. Everlasting, your light will shine when all else fades, never ending. Your glory goes beyond all fame, and the cry of my heart is to bring you praise from the inside out. Lord, my soul cries out. Heart and my soul, I give you control. Consume me from the inside out, Lord. Let justice and praise become my embrace, to love you from the inside out.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the cover of From the Inside Out by Hillsong Worship. Before you go, if you play guitar and you didn't just come to listen, then I actually have something for you, because you probably saw me use a lot of advanced guitar chords in here, so maybe some chords that you've never even seen before. You were probably looking at them right here and you're like, that's a C chord? If that's you, then I want to give you a bunch of free advanced guitar chords that I put together. I compiled them in a PDF. I've got like them in the key of G, I think in the key of C and D maybe. There's like 25 advanced guitar chords, and all you have to do to get them is click the link in the description below. So if you're interested in learning some more guitar chords like the ones I just showed you, make sure to head down to the description below, click that link, and thanks so much for joining me in this video. Until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.